Can we cancel the name element in PNR and add name element again?
No, it should never be done. Name element should never be cancelled once it is inserted in the PNR. You can either modify the name element or split the PNR, and once you receive airline PNR number or airline record locator in both the respective PNRs, then you can go ahead to remove the unwanted PNR.
What if airline has replied with status code UC or UN for itinerary or routing?
UC means unable to confirm and UN means unable to operate. If airline has given you the status code UC, it means airline is unable to confirm your itinerary due to whatever reasons. And if airline has given you the status code of UN, it means airline is not operating. In both the cases, one should immediately remove the itinerary from the PNR and should release the seats to avoid auto debit memos, which are known as ADMs.
Can test PNRs be created for pricing purpose?
It is advised to use Go segment GK for the pricing purpose instead of test PNRs, as test PNRs affects the functionality of Amadeus as well as the airlines.
Is there any specific command to print e-ticket?
E-tickets are printed and displayed by default when you use the TTP command to issue the ticket. If you still want to use, you can use TTP/ET for e-ticketing. And if you wish to issue paper ticket, then TTP/PT must be performed.
Can fare quoted from FQP command be considered as final price?
No, it is just for information only. Some of the taxes, surcharges may be missing in the FQP command, and moreover, FQP command does not guarantee availability. Final price should be quoted only once you have done itinerary pricing in the PNR.
Can we void a reissued ticket?
No, we cannot void a reissued ticket. It can only be refunded.
What should be the status of e-ticket to cancel or refund?
Status of the e-ticket should be O, which means open for use.
Can partial refund be performed before final journey of the PNR?
No, partial refund can only be processed once the last segment, the last journey in the PNR is completed.
Can entire PNR with optional elements pricing be made in one go?
It can be, but it is never recommended. A basic PNR should be created first with all the 5 mandatory elements and it should be saved. Once airline has reverted you with the airline PNR number, then only you can go ahead to do modifications, additions, optional PNR elements or pricing.
Is there any time limit to create PNR from short cell availability command?
Yes, as it is a live system, so Amadeus maintains the link with the airline system for 3 minutes. So once the short cell command is used, PNR should be created within 3 minutes. Then one must wait for the airline PNR number to process further commands.